Tonight marks our place in the royal tradition. Look around, sweetheart. The kingdom shines for us.
Mommy, look! I'm sparkling everywhere! You light up the whole festival, darling.
Always them, never me. Little princess, would you like to see a special firework? Just for you.
A special firework? Really? Is it close? Where's the firework? Inside. Quickly. Mommy? Where's my mom? I want my mom. Stop whining.
She won't find you. Not tonight.
Mommy.
My baby? My baby? Where is she? Has anyone seen my daughter? My little girl, please! No, Your Highness. She was just here. Seal every exit. Search every corridor. Bring my baby back.
At once, Your Majesty.
Sweetheart, answer me, please. Where are you? My baby, Mommy's here.
Mommy? Please hear me. Please.
That's her, my baby. She's calling for me. Hold on, sweetheart. Mommy's coming. Just hold on. Please. Please let my child be alive. Mommy's here. Mommy's here, then. I'll never let you go again.
Mommy, I was scared.
Take him before the royal council. He will answer for every tear my child shed.
As you command, Your Majesty.
You're safe now, darling. No more fear. The princess is home, thank the stars. Tonight, you sit here, not in fear, but in honor.
Mommy, it's warm.
Let the Festival of Emerald Hearts continue.
Pretty lights, Mommy. Mommy, look! My shoe still sparkles. Yes, my love, just like you.
The sky shall shine in emeralds tonight.
Mommy, it's the whole sky.
Yes, darling, just for you.
Mommy, I love you.
And I love you more than all the stars. Long live the Emerald Princess! Mommy, everyone's smiling. This charm will keep danger far away. You will never be alone.
Mommy's magic.
As long as we're together, nothing can harm us.
Together forever, Mommy.
Today's tea party must be perfect.
I'm a real princess now. Mommy will be so proud.
Make sure the lavender tea is perfect.
Mommy, is this the tea party room?
Yes, my little emerald star.
Mommy, can I come to the tea party too? I have my princess dress and shoes.
Oh, sweetheart, you're still little, my love. I promise, one day you'll host your own tea party.
All right. I just wanted to be with Mommy.
Oh my, your emerald gown is stunning. Welcome, ladies. Please enjoy our little tea gathering.
Everything looks perfect.
They're already eating cake. Oh, it looks so good. If I'm really quiet, maybe they won't mind. From down here, it's like a secret world. I can almost see the cake.
Did anyone else feel that?
Was that the table?
It felt like a tiny shake, barely there. Maybe just the floor settling?
I didn't mean to. Stop! Please stop!
She's pulling the whole table.
Grab the cloth. My sleeves. They're soaked.
The desserts are everywhere.
Someone stop the table, please. I didn't want to ruin everything. I'm sorry.
All eyes are on her.
Is she going to punish the kitten?
I've never seen her this quiet.
My little one! My little one! Mommy!
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. You were frightened. You made a mistake.
Mommy, I'm so sorry. I didn't want to ruin anything.
Hush. It's all right, my little princess. You're...
Just look at us, what a sight!
A royal tea party turned into... There we go, let's make it beautiful again. I can help too, I promise I'll be careful. You're doing wonderfully, sweetheart. This feels much nicer than before. Yes, simple but perfect. No royal bit. Here you go, my little princess, your very own milk tea.
For me?
Really?
She looks so happy.
No matter what happens, you'll always belong by my side.
Mommy.
A queen must always be flawless, darling.
Mommy, can I try some too?
Not yet, darling. You're still too young.
Oh.
Later, sweetheart. Be good, darling. Mummy will be back soon.
I can be like Mommy. I know I can. Almost like Mommy. One day, I'll walk beside Mommy. Please start. Pretty please. Come on, stay straight. Please stay straight. That's a kitten. There's a kitten driving. Mommy, you're right there. I'm coming. Mommy, wait for me. I'm coming now. Really coming.
Whose car is that? It's moving strangely.
Wait, there's a kitten in that car. A baby drove here.
How is that even possible?
Mommy, I'm coming to you.
She's adorable and brave.
Mommy, please be inside.
Is that a kid? Where did she come from?
Mommy, are you here?
Someone find her mother, quickly.
She doesn't walk the runway, she owns it. This is the moment. Keep shooting.
Baby? I'm coming.
I wanted to be like you.
You already are my little queen.
Walk with me, my little star. Just like Mommy.
This is history. Keep shooting. This moment will never happen again.
My brave girl. You went through so much just to find me.
I just wanted Mommy.
This one is yours, sweetheart. You don't have to borrow mine anymore.
Mommy, it's so beautiful. Mommy! The sky is sparkling for us.
Yes, my little star. Tonight, the whole...
The time of inheritance has come.
Is that royal memory?
Hear us. I'll be right back, little one.
Just a little peek. No one will know. Almost. I can see it. Wait!
Joy, sorrow, love, war.
Please stop! I'm scared!
Oh no, my baby!
Hold on, I'm coming! I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Easy now. Return to your places.
It can never be whole again. The most precious memory is you. Let's create something new.
Come to me, memories. This shard carries something else.
Who has broken the cycle? You shattered the vessel. Why?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt anyone.
If blame must be given, then give it to me. Love is a stronger vessel than crystal. I grant you a new legacy, one that grows with your hearts.